Hello guys, welcome to my video. Welcome back here on my work. Yesterday I did not done, so I have a left work. This one, just this, and this one I need to cut. Yeah, that one I need to cut. That's I'm done this file. It's already logged, so that's what I do, can help my husband for work, and I enjoy working here. I just always work at afternoon because it's I'm late to wake up, and I'm busy today watching a series movie, so I'm late to come. This my work. This one here, that's the back that I need to cut now. Yeah, that's all done. That one. After this work I need to mow around because the grass is long already. I need to trim that again to mower, use the truck mower, and also in front. So that's what I'll work tomorrow, or after I do this, if I have time, so I can do it. So I'll try which is good, today or tomorrow. So I hope you're enjoying watching my videos. So guys, I hope you support me. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.